Okay, help. So I have a secret project that I am working on that I can't talk about, that I also can't take with me to HH because it's a secret and I can't take it with me. And I don't have any socks cast on yet. I obviously could cast on socks as an easy to go project. And I'm at a part of the hat, the colorwork hat that I'm designing, where I need to make the chart, which I have not done yet. And I'm leaving for HH in like a couple hours. The event is tomorrow, but right now I'm prepping to go. So I need a project. I very desperately want to be working on my Q2 goals for the stash busting challenge that we're doing in the CouleeCraft Discord. I selected for this quarter, my goals are to make some like wardrobe staples that I'm going to reach for again and again. One of them is a cardigan. Your girl's not starting a cardigan today. The other one is a tank top or a couple of tank tops. And I really want to work on those because the weather is finally nice here. So, help. I think I'm going to crochet this particular tank top. I will probably also knit one. I would love to have it be no pattern and just made up, but I know that my convoluted little brain is going to make it complicated. So, welcome to the complication zone. I am really thinking some cotton would be awesome. I would also love it to be scrappy and lots of colors. I'm really feeling that vibe right now. So join me as I pull out some yarn in a panic and look for options for the project. I'm gonna pause recording and we'll see if I can restart. Look at that, restarted. The other option is I can bring this kit with me that I got when we were in St. Ives. I think as cute and adorable as it is, it's gonna be too fiddly for traveling because there's so many small pieces and I don't wanna lose a piece of the project I'm working on. So we are going to pull out, we got, this is probably dishy, knit picks. Got some little scraps here. So let's take a look through that. Okay, we got a pretty sizable bag of worsted scraps with some fun, lots of greens and browns. That could be really fun. Dun, dun, dun. What else? What is this? Ooh, cashmere. I don't think that's gonna go. That would be a nice tank top though. I swear. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. So this is Noro. Some sort of recycled wool silk blend. And I've tried to make a top out of it approximately 1,000 times. And it just never sticks. But what if we did like a tonal situation with some color blocking? Okay, I found what I was originally looking for. This big bag of cotton. So I think I'm just gonna start picking yarns and I'll just make a tank top out of that magically. Because that's how crafting works, right? I'm hunched down because I didn't want to get my tripod out. So I'm thinking mostly cottons, but maybe some wools thrown in here too. White, brown. We're thinking grunge fairy. Ooh, this I remember is Cascade Yarns cotton something or other in this minty sage that I love. And you may or may not, be wondering, but Carolyn, why didn't you just go through your Ravelry stash, because you updated all of that like a good human a while back? Why don't you just go through that instead of digging your yarn out? Well, because I don't put scraps on there. I just don't. So a lot of my scraps aren't in Ravelry, which makes it difficult to use Ravelry as a means of assessing scraps for a scrap project. But that's okay. These are both from a sweater that I recycled. I have made a diamond lace top out of it by Mother of Pearl and a bunch of other things, bunch of dishcloths. I love it. I want to recycle more sweaters, perhaps. Okay, I have had this literally since high school. It looks like a cotton, maybe silk blend. I have no idea. One of my friends gave it to me because they weren't going to use it. And maybe now's the time. We're stash busting, so that's probably my deepest stash, which is a little yikesy. Okay, this is sugar and creams for sure. Okay. I have amassed a pile, but I'm not sure. Ooh, yeah. Yes, okay. We got a couple more here to add. You're getting a crazy ASMR video today. There's this. This was a mystery wool cotton blend that I used in my Mal Passat sweater, which I did a bazillion years ago. Sagey, greeny, bluey, gray. That's a technical color term. And another cottony. Oh, this was from my first ever sweater, and it's this gorgeous copper. That would be amazing. This is another super deep stash, more Noro. I was given this when I was like 15 or maybe 16 as a Christmas gift, so that is like a long time ago. Not as deep stash as the other stuff. I know that for sure. What else do we got? Shout through the screen if you see something you like. Okay, I'm going to lay these out and switch the camera angle, and we will look at it together. Okay, so yes, you're on my office chair here. I'm almost thinking that here we just ditch these two. Like, it's a little bit more muted. I don't know. This one I know has, like, you can see there's some flecks of red, which might be fun with the copper. And then this pink is just cute. These guys already didn't make the cut, but I think they would be a good party on their own in a different project. So they're set aside already. But this, like, do I take that out? I'm going to bring them. But I don't know if I'm going to use them. I don't know. Okay, well, thank you for coming on this ramblous journey. You're going to be getting some vlog updates via likely Instagram, maybe YouTube Shorts, but likely Instagram for my experience at H&H. Again, I'm only going to be there tomorrow, Tuesday, at the Content Creator Summit, and then Wednesday, roaming the shop floor. If you see me, say hi. That would be so fun, wouldn't it? It'd be so nice. I will be wearing something. I'll be wearing a very loud crochet denim jacket that we just, you saw, I just recently finished. So, excited for that. Excited for H&H. Hoping to work on a crochet tank top. Not sure how I'm even going to make it. That's a later problem. I've picked out the yarn. That's the hardest part, right? Right. Okay. Stay crafty, and I'll see you soon.